everyone, welcome back to my video. My name is Delene and I am doing a review on one of my older pieces. I think I got this maybe 5 years, I'm not really sure, but it's the Pochette Accessoires, and I think this purse is a pretty color. I really like the color. It's kind of like a nude rose color, but more on the rose side. I know the name of it is rose something. I'm not really sure, but this is the patent leather version of the Pochette, and you can see that it's still monogram in there on here. I think it is pretty. I don't have a lot of problems with fingerprints on this, only because it's a light color, but on my video that I did with my red patent leather one, you can actually see the fingerprints in this thing. Now before I go further, let me give you the measurements of my Pochette here. So it is 9.25 in length, 5.3 in height, and it's actually 1.6 on the bottom here. Now, I've taken really good care of this purse. As you can see, I really don't have much markings on there, or I kept it pretty good, but there is one mark, actually a little mark here in the corner, and then right there. It looks like somebody got me with the pen, and it's not because I left the pen out. I think someone was probably walking around with the pen or something, and they got me right there. So I was really disappointed when that happened. I just thought this purse was so gorgeous, and I think it's so pretty. Now, I've taken really good care of it. As you can tell, the handle is still it's not real light, but it's still a light patina. And I love the color of this patina. I think it's so pretty. And the stitching and the detailing on it is so nice. On the tab over here, it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. Can you see that? The zipper here says Louis Vuitton or LV. Now this strap here is also removable, just like the other Pochette Accessoires. I'm not really sure how to say that. The inside here has glitter in there, so I don't know if you can see that. I don't know what I put in there to get glitter, but it's got glitter in there. And there is one pocket here. So this purse fits a lot. Let me show you what I normally put into this purse when I do carry it. I usually carry my card holder with this. I will carry lipsticks. I'll just put one in there because I don't always carry two. My gum. And when I minimize, I always take my car keys off my 6-ring key holder. I just feel like, why put the whole thing in there when I can minimize? And then I'll put sometimes my little key clay and my phone here. So that all fits in there just perfectly. I think that looks great. I love this bag. I think it is so pretty. Now I mainly wear it on my shoulders like this. I don't ever remove the strap just so I can use it as a clutch. If I want to use it as a clutch, I'll just put it and wear it like a clutch with my strap there. So I think it is such a cute bag. Look at that, it is so cute. I do get compliments on this as well. I don't know if this color was out for long, because I don't think I've ever seen anybody carry this color. But yet on YouTube, I do see an Alma BB, this color. Now, I'm going to remove a long strap off one of my purses and use this strap on my Louis Vuitton here. But before I do that, let me go ahead and show you on my shoulders. Now I did notice that the strap on this pochette is longer than the strap on my monogram one. My monogram one is pretty old, so I think it comes like right here. I feel like it's easier to control with it right underneath my arm like that, but for some reason they made it longer. So it moves around more, and I feel like it's not as in control. Because I used to use my Louis Vuitton one, the monogram one, when I went dancing and out with my girlfriends. So this one just seems to swing a little bit more. So let me go ahead and take this strap off, and I'll show you what this purse looks like with a longer strap. Now, this is not a Louis Vuitton strap that I'm putting on. It's from my little bag here. So my little Prada bag. So let me go ahead and show you. So I can put it on my shoulder just like this. Crossbody. I wear it like this, crossbody. If I'm going to use this long strap, it's going to be a crossbody. So I thought that was really cute. It's nice to own one of these little things. So anyways, oh, by the way, out my top for the day. This top, I don't know, it's real pretty. I like it because it has like watercolor look, and it has lace and stuff, and or embroidery, I don't know what it's called. I got this top from Buckle. It's a high-low, and I just thought it was real pretty and feminine. I don't know if you guys have Buckle wherever you guys live, but I live in Texas, so I thought this was really pretty, and it's perfect here for the summer, and it just looks so feminine. And I want to thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe, hit that bell for notification, and have a nice day, and God bless you.